Hi everyone, this is Gabby at Our Decorative Nest, and today I'm going to be showing you what I did with the resin pieces I made a couple days ago. Like I said in the last video, I didn't realize that I was going to need 2 silicone molds to make matching earrings, so on a separate day, I did make a matching pair for each. So just remember, if you do want to make jewelry with this, especially earrings, make sure you pick up 2 silicone molds. So to get this started, I am going to start popping out all of my pieces from the silicone mold. Now I'm curious, put down in the comments if your local Dollar Tree has a Dollar Tree Plus section. I've been seeing a lot of people say that they do not have this section in their store yet, but I believe by the end of the year, every Dollar Tree should be getting one. Also, which type of fruit clay filler is your favorite? Honestly, I loved these little lemons and apples that were in this one, and I also loved the avocado ones. Now to kick off this earring making session, I am using my watermelon and strawberry resin pieces. So for this segment of the craft, all you're going to need is a couple things. You're going to need some pliers, your jewelry loops, and your earring hooks. Personally, I would recommend using 2 different pliers to squeeze the loops together. This makes it pretty easy. Now for this one, I am going to make a fun necklace charm. So all you'll need for these are just 2 loops. Close those up, put them on your necklace, and you're ready to wear it. Personally, I decided to layer the different designs, and you can get a feel for which ones you'd like to layer with yours. I tried to take the biggest one and layer it with a couple smaller ones. Alright, and next I'm going to repeat this step again for my avocado earrings. I am going to use 2 loops so they lay nicely, and then I'm going to put the earring hooks. I hope you guys love this craft. I hope you get the chance to try it out for yourself. Thank you for continuing to watch and sprinkle our Decorative Nest videos. And let me know how your resin pieces turn out. Happy crafting!